Hello everybody. Today I wanted to share a software that I use to maximize and organize my Twitter use. And that resource is Tweetdeck. So the first thing that you're going to do is navigate to tweetdeck.com. On the landing page, you can sign up for a Twitter account if you don't already have one. What that will do is just take you to twitter.com where you will create a Twitter account. If, however, you do have a Twitter account, all you need to do simply is put your username, your handle here, and then below that your Twitter password, and click log in. This then brings me to my homepage for Twitter. Now, this is going to look different than yours if it's your first time logging in because I have already modified mine to give me the content that I want. And shout out to my fellow teachers out there. As you can see, I have set mine up to organize the content that I want to consume around education. So I really like the column format that Tweetdeck uses. And the thing that I think is most beneficial, or what I use Tweetdeck for most, is to follow hashtags. Now, for those of you who are new to Twitter, a hashtag gives you the ability to follow a conversation. So anyone who puts a message with this hashtag, Teach for America, hashtag PBL Chat for project-based learning, their messages will fall into these columns respectively. And so now if I want to find some really awesome resources on project-based learning for my classroom, I can scroll down here and look at all the various things that people are sharing around the idea of project-based learning. As you can see, I've got 14 columns here, and I'll get to that 15th column in just a little bit. Now let me show you first how to add a column. So here on your toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen, you can expand it and then click on Add Column. Tweetdeck already populates some common Twitter pages and settings that you might want to add to your stream on Tweetdeck. But if we're adding a hashtag, we're going to go to Search. So then you can type in anything hashtag and any hashtag that you would like to follow. I'm going to do Edutopia because they put out a lot of good resources and a lot of folks use that hashtag. So I type hashtag Edutopia, click on that, and here you go. Here is the conversation around hashtag Edutopia. Anyone who has put this hashtag into their message is showing up. So then what I would do is I click Add Column, and Tweetdeck will automatically populate it all the way to the end of my homepage. What I can do, if I put my cursor over these 3 vertical bars under the number here, I get the 4 direction arrow, and I can move my columns and toggle them by priority. So as you can see, I just flipped the Edutopia and my scheduled tweets column, so that Edutopia is now my 15th column. If you are just beginning to customize your page and you want to get rid of columns, go on this icon in the upper right of each column, you click on that, and you click Remove Column. And there it is, it's gone. Now, the second thing that I really like Tweetdeck for is because it allows me to organize the content that I share. And that's what this column is all about. I have added a scheduled tweets column. So the way you make a tweet in Tweetdeck is to go in the upper left corner of the page. There is this icon that looks like a quill. And I'm going to make a tweet. Hi everyone on YouTube. Oh, no, I don't want YouTube Trends. YouTube, watching this tutorial on Tweetdeck. I'm going to put a hashtag on that. Now, I could choose to tweet that right now, or I can schedule that tweet. So I'm going to have this come out on Monday, at, let's say, 5 p.m. when people are maybe getting out of work or getting out of class, teachers out there after doing some planning after a day with students. And then I'm going to click Tweet January 18th. And now if I look in my scheduled tweets column, I can see that, there it is. My tweet that is now scheduled for January 18th. So that's just a couple of the great features of Tweetdeck. There are more that you can explore on your own, and maybe I'll post some videos about the other aspects. But these are the two that I really enjoy. The columns and the following of the hashtags to help me organize the content I consume, and then the ability to schedule tweets that go out at a certain time that allows me to organize the content that I share, maybe around an assignment that's being dropped at a certain time, or just so that I'm not inundating people's feeds. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you use Tweetdeck to find awesome resources and to share them with your friends and colleagues. Thanks, and have a great day.